Welcome to Candido's Auto Repair. Is a trusted, family-owned and operated automotive repair shop located in the heart of Monroe, Washington. For more than 24 years, we have been proudly serving drivers not only from Monroe but also from surrounding communities within an 80-mile radius. Over the years, we have built a strong reputation based on honesty, professionalism, and unmatched dedication to customer satisfaction. Our service: air conditioning services, brake inspections and repairs, check engine light diagnosis, complete diagnostic services, computerized engine analysis, electrical system, engine repairs and replacements, engine tune UPS, exhaust system repairs and replacements, fuel system diagnostics, oil changes, performance analysis, suspension and steering repairs, tire rotations, transmission repairs and replacements, wheel alignments, and windshield and glass replacements. Last projects. Quick contact info. Candido's Auto Repair.